See here, two question is the force of perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. From the origin to the plane is 4 minus 2 minus 5. Find the equation of the plane. Suppose this is the plane. This is the plane. Okay? And origin is here. Origin. Clear? From origin to the plane. Clear? Suppose here, okay, any point here O, here N. Okay? And the point is 4 minus 2 minus 5. Clear? What is here normal vector N? Normal vector will become 4 minus 0 here 0 0.
Yes.
So normal vector become 4 minus 0 I. Clear?
Minus 2 minus 0.
No. Any doubt?
No.
0 2. Okay. Normal vector N. Now minus 2 minus 0 J plus here minus 5 minus 0 vector K. So normal vector N, so we have normal vector N is equal to 4i minus here minus 2j minus 5k. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt? Now here the position vector here A. Point here, plane is passing through this point. 4 minus 2 minus 5. So vector A is also here. How much? 4i minus 2j and minus 5k. What is the equation of a plane? Equation of a plane is vector R minus vector A dot vector N is equal to 0.
Yes.
Vector R minus vector A. What is vector A? 4i minus 2j minus 5k. Okay? Dot unit vector N. Vector N. Here vector N is 4i minus 2j minus 5k equal to 0. Clear?
Yes.
So here if this is the vector form of the equation of a plane, find the equation of the plane. So this is the vector form. No?
Yes.
This is the vector form. Now if you want to convert Cartesian form, then what will be? X minus 4 okay I, then after y plus 2 here j, clear? Z plus 5 vector k here dot 4i minus 2j minus 5k equal to 0.
Yes.
So now dot product I dot I 1. So here 4x minus 4, then minus multiply here plus it become minus 2y plus 2, then here minus 5, then plus 5 equal to 0. Simplify. Okay? Simplify this one. How much coming? Simplify this one is equal to 4x minus 16 minus 2 multiply y minus 2y minus 4 minus 5 that minus 25 equal to 0. Okay? Then simplify, you will get the equation of a plane. Clear? You will get the equation of a plane. How much?
4x minus 2y minus 5 5z is equal to
4x
minus 2y
minus
2y
2y
minus 5z equal to 45.
is equal to 45.
Yes, sir. 45.
So this is the required equation of a plane in Cartesian form, and this one is the vector form. Okay. Vector equation of a plane passing through three given points. Okay. So this is a plane. This is a plane, and 3 points A, B, and C lie on the plane phi. Lies on the plane phi. And position vector of A is vector A, and position vector of B is vector B, and position vector of C is vector C. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, so C and N is the normal. N is the normal here. This is the normal vector. N is vector AB cross vector AC. AB cross AC. Okay. Now you got. Now find out the position vector from. Okay. Vector here AB. AB position vector AB. AB is equal to vector B minus vector A. Position vector of AC is vector C minus vector A. Clear? Now see here. So AB cross AC is equal to normal vector N, and we know that the equation of a plane passing through a point A and whose normal vector N is given. Then equation of a plane is vector R minus vector A dot N is equal to 0. Now, okay. So here vector R minus vector A dot unit vector here vector N is equal to vector A. Here will be vector N. Now, vector N. So vector N is AB cross AC is equal to 0. Okay. Now AB is your B minus A. AB is your B minus A, and AC is your vector C minus A equal to 0. Now here R minus A here B cross C minus B cross A minus A cross C minus multiply minus plus vector A cross vector A. We know that vector A cross vector A is equal to 0. So this one is equal to 0. So you got vector R minus vector A dot vector B cross C minus vector B cross A minus vector A cross C, okay, equal to 0. Now we are going to simplify this one. Okay. Vector R minus vector A, vector B cross vector C plus vector A cross vector B plus vector C cross vector A equal to 0. So here R dot vector B cross C, R dot vector A cross B, vector R dot vector C cross A. Now minus A dot vector B cross C minus A vector A cross B minus A vector A cross B minus A vector C cross A. So see here, scalar paper product we can write like this: R B C, R B C. Here R A B, here R C A. Clear? And here minus A B C, and here both are same. A dot here A. Clear? So if two are same, two vectors are same, then value is 0. Here also same, then value is 0. Clear? Any doubt? So this one is 0 and this one is 0. So minus vector A B C equal to 0. You transfer that side, you will get A B C. It means A dot vector B cross C. If you will get, you will get the answer. Clear? A, B, C. A, B, C means A dot vector B cross C. Clear?
Yes.
Here question is find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points A 2, 2, -1, B 3, 4, 2 and C 7, 0, 6. Also find the Cartesian equation of the plane. Suppose this is the plane and point A is 2, 2, -1, point B is 3, 4, 2, point C 7, 0, 6. So we have to find out the equation of a plane in vector form. So see here. So position vector we have, okay, vector AB, how much? Vector AB 3 minus 2 I, 3 minus 2 I
Plus 2i.
4 minus 2 J,
Yeah.
here 2 here plus 1 vector K.
Yes.
So vector AB is equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. Vector AC. So AC 7 minus 2
5i.
7 minus 2I.
Directly.
Okay.
Minus 2j.
0 minus 2J 6 plus 1 vector K. So vector AC is equal to 5I minus 2J plus 7K. So now we know that here normal vector n, we have to find out normal vector n. So normal vector n is equal to vector AB cross vector AC. Clear?
Yes.
So AB cross AC. So you have to find out AB cross AC. Clear? So AB cross AC is equal to I J
K.
K. Clear? I J K.
One, two,
Now,
three.
what is the here?
One, two,
Scalar
three.
component of AB.
1, 2, 3.
Scalar component of AB is 1, 2, 3. So right here 1, 2, 3. Clear? See here.
Yes, sir.
Vector AC is here. What is component?
5 minus 2.
5 to 5 minus 2
7.
7. Now find out vector A cross vector B. Vector AB cross AC. How much? Vector I
20i.
remove
Plus 8j.
14 plus 6.
Minus 8j.
So minus J. Okay, remove
7 minus
7 minus 15 plus vector K. How much? Minus 2 minus 10
Minus 12.
minus 10. So how much here? 20I minus here become plus
Plus 8j.
8J
Minus 12k.
minus 12K. You got vector N. You got vector N. Now you have to use the equation of a plane formula. Now we know that if a plane is passing through a given point and normal is already given here, so we can write the equation of a plane. Equation of a plane is vector R minus vector A dot vector N is equal to 0.
Yes.
Clear? So vector R minus, what is vector A? Vector A is here 2I plus 2J minus vector K dot normal vector N. What is normal vector N? 20I
plus 8.
20I plus 8J minus 12K is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt? So we can write here in the another Cartesian form. See here, Vector R is xi, yj and zk. So we can write like this: x minus 2i, okay, y minus 2j and z minus 1k dot 20i
Z plus 1.
8j minus 12k equal to 0.
Sir,
X minus 2,
Z plus 1.
yes, z plus 1. Okay, here become plus 1. Okay, now how much here? 20x minus 2. Then after 8 y minus 2. Then here
Minus 12.
here minus 12.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Then after minus 12 into
Z.
z plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? X minus 2 here 20, y minus, because I dot I is 1. So x minus 2i 20i become 20 x minus 2. Y minus 2j and 8j. So become j dot j is 1. So 8y minus 2. Minus 12 here z plus 1. How much coming here? 28 minus 40, 8y minus 16 minus 12z minus 12 equal to 0. How much coming here?
Minus
8y minus 12z is equal to
68.
68. This is the required equation of a plane in Cartesian form, and this is the vector form. This is your vector form, and this one is Cartesian form. Equation of a plane is Cartesian form. Equation of a plane in Cartesian form. Clear?
Yes.